And when I look through the lens of my camera, I personally have the experience of seeing my version of God looking back at me. And I can't express to you how emotional it feels when I'm doing any sort of photographic work. And I lift the lens up, the camera up to my eye, and I look through the lens, and I have often been brought to tears because of what I see. If it's a person, I'm looking in their eyes and I see a version of God looking back at me. If it's a landscape, I am moved by what the earth has created, what our version of God has created, what the universe has created. And if it's my own personal work or self portrait work, I feel like I'm just getting a deeper understanding of what lives underneath the surface of everyday life. So, in every single way, I'm being brought to what lives in between the words or underneath the surface or the thing that's happening around us that we can't quite see, but we can feel.